Corn tortillas are so easy to make and they taste way better than store-bought. All you need is two ingredients, masa and warm water. I'll show you. My favorite brands are Masienda and Maseca. It's also nice to have a tortilla press, but you can roll out the dough with a rolling pin. I'm going to be making yellow and blue corn tortillas. To a medium-sized bowl, add 1 cup masa and 1 cup warm water. Mix with a fork until combined. Pro tip, if it sticks to your hands, add a bit more masa. If it's too dry, add a bit more water. Grab about 3 tablespoons of the dough at a time and roll it into a ball. You should have about 7 balls. Lay out some parchment paper and press your tortilla. The paper makes it much easier to peel off of your tortilla. Remember to peel off slowly. To a grill on medium heat, lay your tortilla. To grill your tortilla perfectly every time, follow the 30, 60, 60, 10 second rule. Cook for about 30 seconds, then flip and cook for 60 seconds. Then flip again and press down a few times on the tortilla, that way it'll bubble up, and cook for another 60 seconds. Flip one last time and cook for 10 seconds. Then take off the grill and keep your tortillas warm. They last about a week in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag or 3 to 6 months in the freezer. Enjoy!